Welcome to MSR RC. I'm going to do an unboxing today. Box. Out of a box unboxing. I guess that's the way you would put it. Let's get this thing up on the camera stand here. Maybe it doesn't get enough. Yeah. I hope that's straight for you guys. Alright, we got something here a little special today. It's a new release. Oh Lord. Back camera up a little bit. Yeah, that's right. It's the Redcat Wendigo. Wendigo, however you pronounce it. Builder kit. This is the new builder kit that's just have released. I don't know, I might be one of the first ones that put the do the builder kit on video. Yeah, let's kind of go over the box and then we'll open it up. Spin it around, we'll get the back part. Let's start here. Slide the camera back a little further. Alright. Wendigo specifications to you. The clearance from the front pumpkin to the ground, and the side view of it from the highest point underneath to the ground at 75 millimeters. The pumpkin down is 47 millimeters. Blah blah blah. Metal chassis. I believe these are glued on, and I ain't sure, but I was wanting the RTR, but I was going to tear it down and replace all the electronics. This does not come with the electronics. Well, anyway, I think these are 2.2s, which I hope it is, because I got a couple of sets of bead locks. Comes with a clear body, so you can paint it any color you want, which I'll show you right now. My choice of color are the green and the silver. So if I get y'all the part number up in here. Focus. Alright. Precision steering. Supposed to have up to 47 degrees inside a wheel, up to 32 degrees outside of wheel. Also comes with a durable transmission, which is a forward mounted motor, and it has a divorce transfer case. Aluminum shocks, got adjustable rear sway bar. Look like it has aluminum links. Got the drive shaft, which I think the joints are metal, rest of it plastic. Oh yes, and it does have steel sleeves in the axles. CNC aluminum spool, which is that. Right top of it. Got LED ready molded front grille right there. Come with some scale items, gas tank, fire extinguishers, and some sand ladders. Got a molded fuel cell. There's the roll bar, the helmets, and the GPS there, which I might try to light that up. That'd be cool if I could get it light up. Got LED ready bumpers. Looking on over. What's on this? Yeah, it says required to complete. That's your ESC, the motor, the servo, battery, the charger, remote, and the receiver. Which I have not a remote receiver I'm going to use in it. But I'm thinking I'm going to do a Home Hobby 3300 puller motor with a Mama X. Servo, I decided I might just put a home servo in it. But yeah, the ends of them Nothing special. Let's open this kit up and see what all we got in here. Here's the wheels. These are glue-on wheels, 12mm hex. Yeah, pretty cool looking wheel. I just don't care for the glue on, which I'll probably just put a set of beadlocks, be done with it. Body, got to be cut out. Pretty good detail on it. I'm going to do kind of the same paint scheme. I'm going to do similar paint scheme as this, except it's going to be in silver and green. Kit one. Link ends. That's the rear end. That's bag one. Bag two. It looks like bumpers, skids, cross braces, trans skid, battery tray. Yeah. Bag two. Here's a bunch of little bags. And here's the A, B, C, D. Yeah. There's your hexes, gears, transmission gears, hands, link ends. They feel good and heavy. There's the axle. Good God, they're beefy. There's the CNC screws. Gears looks good and beefy. That's bag A. Decent bearings. H. Oh, what's some shots? That's your shot kit. And there's your helmets. Some drivers in there. Get a good view of it. Look like some pretty good sized headlight buckets. There's your semi, first finger. Look like your roll bar kit. Yeah. Alright, here's the tires. Good gracious, this is some big tires. I didn't think they were that big. Actually pretty decent. I mean, they ain't hard. They might do alright for mile crawling. IROC style. Super Swamper IROC. Which I might have some better crawling tires, but yeah, I'm not going to really crawl with it a lot. It's more or less a fun little basher and crawl. What I'm looking for out of it. Okay, there's the chassis. Nice and heavy. The Redcat emblem. Yeah. Right here. That's just the top. That might be the top that goes on top of it. Give it a roof. Yeah. Alright, there's the builder manual and a sticker sheet. Sticker sheet's pretty cool. Let's open this up. Look at the manual. Part numbers, and yeah, it's just like any other one. I'm gonna make a couple of short videos of this build. I'm gonna try not to bore y'all too much on it. It's just like any other build. But yeah, MSR got a Wendigo Redcat. If you hadn't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you like what you see, hit that thumbs up. Maybe it'll help my channel out a little more. till next time, thank y'all for watching MSR RC.